Hello students, I am back with my new video. Hope you all are fine and studying well. In this video, I will continue the third unit of Charlie Chaplin, My Mother. I have already completed the first two units. You go through it, you will understand it properly. Let me recall you. Charlie Chaplin, My Mother is an autobiography where Chaplin has discussed about his mother, his childhood days, his mother's struggles for existence, etc. In the first unit, he has discussed about his parents. His father was a vaudevillian and his mother was a singer. She was performing on the stage. They were separated when Chaplin was only 1 year old. His mother was a singer and had a trouble with her voice. Thus, her theatrical engagements fell off. In the second unit, Chaplin had discussed about his first debut on the stage at the age of 5. He was only 5 years old when he performed on the stage for the first time. I have already discussed it in my previous videos. You go through it. In the third unit, Chaplin has discussed about the hardship which he and his mother faced when his mother gave up her stage performance. They had to face a lot of problems because they have become poor. Their sufferings is well discussed here in this unit. Look at the book. Unit 3. Chaplin and his mother had to undergo a lot of hardship when she gave up stage performance. Hardship means difficulties, sufferings. When Chaplin's mother gave up her stage performances, they had to face a lot of problems. The reason was that they had no source of income. They have become poor. Read the following unit of the text and note how Chaplin and his mother suffered. Text. Meanwhile, from 3 comfortable rooms, we moved into 2, then into 1, our belongings dwindling, and the neighborhoods into which we moved growing progressively drabber. Look at the words now. Meanwhile, from 3 comfortable rooms, they were living in a big house with 3 comfortable rooms when his mother was performing on the stage and was able to earn a lot of money. But when her theatrical engagements fell off, they had to move into two rooms house. They were living in rented house, then into 1. And their belongings dwindling. Dwindling means going down. And the neighborhoods into which we moved growing progressively. Progressively means moving, or you can say advancing. Drabber means not interesting. Means from a good society to a low class society they moved. They don't have enough money. They lived in rented house. Because they have not enough money, they have to move to a small house. Their belongings, the belongings of the house were going down, and they had to live in unwanted or not interesting surroundings. Means their neighborhood into where they were living were not interesting. They do not like it. She turned to religion in the hope, I suppose, that it would restore means regain her voice. She regularly attended Christ Church in the Westminster Bridge Road, and every Sunday I was made to sit through back organ's music and to listen with aching impatience to the Reverend Abby Mayer's fervent and dramatic voice echoing down the nave like shuffling feet. Now look at the lines. She turned to religion in a hope that she will regain her voice. You all know that when sorrow comes into our life, we pray to God for His blessings, and Chaplin's mother did that. She turned to religion. She went to church. She went to church with the hope that she will regain her voice and sing again and earn money for her family. And there she heard the preachings of Father and seek peace. She regularly attended Christ Church with the hope that she will regain her voice. In the Westminster Bridge Road, and every Sunday I was made Chaplin went with his mother to the church, and he was made to sit through back organ music and listen with aching impatience. Look at this word, aching impatience. Means he did not like to sit there, but he was forced to sit there because his mother went there. To the Reverend F.B. Mayer, fervent, Fervent, fervent means strong, having or showing strong feelings. F.B. Mayer's fervent and dramatic voice means Reverend F.B. Mayer was giving his preachings, and he was forced to hear it with his mother, and the voice of the Reverend F.B. Mayer voice was very dramatic, echoing down the nave. Look at this word, nave. Nave means the main part of the church or the middle interior of the church, like shuffling feet. Look at this, shuffling feet. Shuffling means to move your feet backward or forward. Here it means that the speech he could not understand. He could not understand the speech given by Father or Reverend F.B. Mayer. So he was feeling bored there. And with aching impatience, he had no patience to sit there, but he was sitting there because his mother was there to hear the speech of Reverend F.B. Mayer, and he could not understand it, and he was sitting there with an aching impatience, whose dramatic voice, F.B. Mayer's dramatic voice, echoing down the nave. Nave is the main part of the interior of the church, like shuffling feet. He was bored there. His orations, Reverend F.B. Mayer's orations. Orations means an elaborate speech. Must have been appealing, for occasionally I would catch mother quietly wiping away a tear, which slightly embarrassed me. Listening to the orations or preachings of Father, his mother became emotional and was weeping. And when he saw his mother wiping away a tear, he felt embarrassed. Embarrassed means to make look foolish and odd in public. He could not understand why his mother was crying in the public. Maybe F.B. Mayer's speech or orations was appealing to his mother. She was getting emotional because she was undergoing hard circumstances. She was very sad. Well do I remember the Holy Communion on one hot summer day, and the cool silver cup containing delicious grape juice that passed along the congregation, and mother's gentle restraining hand when I drank too much of it. Chaplin remembers the Holy Communion Day. The Holy Communion Day is a Christian ceremony in which bread is eaten and wine is drunk to pay respect to Jesus Christ. And there he drank too much of grape juice, which he liked it. that passed along the congregation. Congregation means gathering. And when mother's gentle restraining hand, when Chaplin's mother saw that Chaplin was drinking too much of grape juice, she restricted it. She prevent Chaplin when he drank too much of it. While attending the Holy Communion day, he drank too much of grape juice, which passed through the gathering. He did not stop until his mother restricted. He loved drinking it. And after that, he felt relieved when he saw that the Reverend had closed the Bible. Because he did not like it, he was unable to understand the preaching. So, he felt relieved that the Reverend had closed the Bible, for it meant that the sermon, what is sermon? Sermon means a speech, a religious speech as a part of worship, would soon end, and they would start prayers and the final hymn. Then he felt relieved that they will go home, because he did not like, he was unable to understand the preaching, so he was feeling bored there. That's why he felt relieved that the preachings ended and they will go home. Since mother had joined the church, she seldom saw her theatrical friends. Seldom means very rarely. Because she was unable to sing, she could not go to the theatre, so she was away from her theatrical friends. That world evaporated. That theatrical world had disappeared, had become only a memory. It had turned into a memory. She could not go there because of her voice. She could not sing, so she could not go there. So it has become a memory. It seemed that we had always lived in wretched circumstances. Wretched circumstances means very unhappy, very bad circumstances. Because suffering was there. They had to suffer. They had become poor. There was no money for them to have a good life. The interim of 1 year seemed to a lifetime of travail. Look, the interim, a period of 1 year, seemed a lifetime of travail. Travail means painful work. You all know that time was not passing very quickly, because they were suffering. You all know that happy time passes very fast, but when sorrow and suffering comes into your life, time passes very slowly. They were suffering, so they passed through very difficult times, and time was not passing quickly. They had to face a lot of problems. Now we existed in cheerless twilight. They were very unhappy. Jobs were hard to find, because mother was untutored in everything, because mother only knew to sing only. So jobs were very hard to find, and mother untutored in everything, but the stage was further handicapped. She became handicapped. Handicapped means she could not do anything. She was mentally handicapped. She was resourceful. She wanted to work, but she could not, because her voice did not permit. She only knew to sing and perform on the stage, but she could not. She had to face a lot of problems. She was small, dainty. Dainty means choosy, and sensitive. She was very sensitive, fighting against the terrific odds in the Victorian era. She belonged to the Victorian era, when Queen Victoria ascended the throne. And you all know that Victorian society or Victorian era was a transitional phase in the Victorian society or English society. She had to face a terrific odds, very, very bad odds. In that odd means her life has to face a lot of problem, because she was unable to do any work in this era, in which wealth and poverty were extreme. It means that The society was changing due to economic condition. The rich were becoming rich and the poor were becoming poor. Jobs were hard to find and she could not find any job. The poorer class woman had little choice but to do menial work. Menial work means a domestic servant, or you can say a domestic work. She had to go to other houses to help somebody. Menial means small work, small household work, or to be drudges of sweet shop. Drudges means menial work like a job of an attendant, or she became attendants of sweet shop. Look at this word. Sweet shop means a shop or factory in which employees work for a long hours at low wages and on unhealthy condition. So she had to do small work to earn money. She had to fight the terrific odds of the society by earning small amount of money through menial work. Occasionally she obtained the work of nursing. She occasionally do the work of nursing or helping others. But such employment was rare and of short duration. It was of short duration. Nevertheless, she was resourceful. But she was resourceful means able to meet any situation. She was resourceful. Having made her own theatrical costumes, she was making her own theatrical costumes. She was talented in her needlework. She was expert with her needle and able to earn few money or few shillings or few money, a small amount of money in dressmaking for the members of the church. For the members of the church, she did needlework and earned small amount of money. But it was barely enough to support us. Barely means hardly enough to support us. They had to face a lot of problem even though she earned a few shillings in dressmaking. So this is the end of my mother. Hope you have understood it properly.